These are a few tips for harvesting seed from vegetable crops that tend to have dried seed pods. The seed collection is a little easier, so if you allow that pod to dry on the vine, you can just pop those open. I'm doing an okra at the moment. And do it over a catchment container, bowl, pan, whatever your preference is. And in okra, they actually are stored in these linear cavities. So it might take you a few minutes. You just have to go around with your fingers, working each of those cavities open. Let me show you what I'm doing here. See, I've pulled that apart, and I'm just letting those seeds fall down into my catch container. Okay, and that really is the easiest technique for harvesting okra. You get very little trash or chaff in there mixed in with the seeds. You've got a pretty good collection right there, so you shouldn't have to do much more before you store these seeds in a breathable package and then put into an airtight container for storage.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.